Continue victory environment. Nigeria, we are number one in all the world.
It's video.
No picture.
I give out video.
Sorry.
This is number one. Continue video. Continue withering the environment.
Where they go?
Very well.
Where they go
we
now?
put it in YouTube very well, immediately.
Where they go now, I say?
No, they are going to take the cup.
Ifi.
Okay, one point.
Wait, sorry.
Listen to me now. What is this?
How do you say?
Get the cup.
Yeah,
Just follow it.
Get the cup. Very well. Get the cup. And you done. You go to the other side.
maybe you want to take it.
So you get all this. Make sure you get this one. Who's presenting the trophy?
Maybe you want to take this one.
Make sure you get everybody right here. They are good players. I'm taking them to Real Madrid. They are moving. It's not easy to reach this level we are. It's the people who eat lion heart. It's the people who can play this final. They are good players. Yes. They tried. Yeah, you guys are supposed to do that. Continue withering the environment.
I am the champion.
We are the winners.
Let's see more
C'est la vie tout.
It is so.
Sure, moi, I'm from Jeffrey. I am one of Nigeria vodka. Hey, everybody! Hey! Please! Okay? So, guys, look! How going to Kayo?
For me, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's okay. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't do this if you was not here helping me all this time. I tell it before, in this last 2 weeks, I was so tired, I was shouting to some people, but if I make a mistake, I'm sorry about it, because my meaning is just to help Africans to have fun and show everybody that we can do this kind of thing. Showing to our children and to our wives that we can do this thing without no problem. And guess what? We did it whole week, no fight, no shit. And the next thing, Payo. Payo is my man, you know. He have been killing me all the time.
Respect Payo, respect Payo, respect Payo, respect Payo.
And before Payo have to say
Nigeria.
we have to acknowledge this guy also, this boy from Canada, Makan, who have been here helping me whole week,
Nigeria,
cleaning after everybody left. And there is, of course, voluntary guys like Tayo from Nigeria. He's coming to help also. His own time, young boys. But we shouldn't forget about Obi. We shouldn't forget about these referees. Because these referees are the referees that are coming when no one else, yes, come in this kind of tournament. But all right. After all this, Payo, you have something to say.
Nigeria,
bring it on.
Books in Nigeria.
Listen to me carefully. In the kingdom of the white and the others,
Respect Payo.
so I cannot shout. I know, say Nigeria, you are ready to take the cup. You will get it. But first,
Respect Payo. Respect Payo.
we will thank Almighty God. Yes. For giving us this beautiful weather. Yes. Second, we thank the participants. Yes. The team. Supporters. Guys, listen, please, guys, listen. Listen. Our main motive to bring all African countries together. We're writing songs today. Every recognized association starting from somewhere. That's what we have to do.
Yeah, it was like this is not the way you do it. I just said, and I know my name, and I used to.
Respect Payo.
Respect Payo. Respect Payo. Boy.
Before we say the medals and start celebrating,